I don't know about you, but I love cooking steak on a cast iron pan. I mean, if someone wants to cook me a perfectly good steak on the barbecue, I will eat it, but my confidence and my comfort with steak lies in the cast iron. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. We are making steak fajitas. Super easy, great for the family, great for just yourself, great for whatever you want to do. Let's head over to the stovetop. I'm gonna heat up my cast iron pan and we're gonna get this done so we can get eating. Let's go. While my cast iron is warming up, I'm just patting dry my steaks and giving them a good salt and pepper seasoning on both sides. I'm gonna use a nice large dollop of butter to get my cast iron nice and non-sticky. You can use oil, whatever your preference is. I like the butter. The steaks go on that hot pan, and while they are cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my bell peppers and my onions, just so that I have those ready to go once I pull the steaks off. And I like nice long slices for all of my vegetables for fajitas. After about 5 or 6 minutes, I give my steaks a good flip. You can see that nice sear on there. And after another 5-6 minutes, I'm going to take the temperature and make sure that we are on point. 145 is about medium, so I am going to take those off and let them rest. Now I'm just going to use that same pan with that buttery, delicious goodness and a little bit of fajita seasoning to cook up my veggies. Just give them a quick stir. Like I said, you want your steaks to rest a little bit. Let's cut in and see. Beautiful. I was worried it might have overcooked a little bit because it was at that 145 before taking it off, but this is how I like my steak. If you want it more done or less done, just go ahead and keep it on there longer or shorter. I'm going to build my fajitas just by putting the veggies down on the bottom, and then I'm going to lay out pieces of steak that I've cut into even smaller pieces. Salsa, sour cream, maybe some green onion or chives and cheese, and away you go. I hope you are going to enjoy a steak fajita night in your near future. Thank you for watching The Silly Kitchen, and I hope you hit that subscribe button so you can come back and watch more episodes. Till next time.